Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest tech gadgets and appliances. Today, we're diving into the world of home office essentials with a spotlight on the Canon ImageCLASS MF465dw wireless monochrome printer. If you're in the market for the best monochrome laser printer for home use, look no further. The Canon ImageCLASS MF465dw is a powerhouse of productivity, designed to meet the demands of small office environments and home offices alike. Let's start with the design. Sleek, modern, and compact, this printer fits seamlessly into any workspace without compromising on functionality. With its clean white finish, it adds a touch of sophistication to your home office setup. But it's not just about looks. The ImageCLASS MF465dw packs a punch when it comes to performance. Printing at speeds of up to 42 pages per minute, you'll never have to wait long for your documents again. And with a first printout time of less than 4.9 seconds, it's perfect for those last-minute printing needs. One of the standout features of this printer is its wireless connectivity. Whether you're printing from your computer, smartphone, or tablet, the MF465dw makes it easy with Wi-Fi direct connection. No router? You can still print on the go with Canon Print Business, Apple AirPrint, and Mopriya Print Service. But it's not just a printer, it's a multifunctional powerhouse. The MF465dw features one-pass duplex scan, allowing you to quickly scan both sides of a document in a single pass through the automatic document feeder. It's efficient, it's convenient, and it saves you time. And let's not forget about ease of use. With a 5-inch color touchscreen display, navigating through the printer's features and settings is a breeze. Whether you're adjusting print settings or checking ink levels, everything is just a tap away. Paper jams and refills are a thing of the past with the ImageCLASS MF465dw. With a standard paper capacity of 350 sheets and the option to expand up to 900 sheets, you can tackle large print jobs with ease. With a variety of paper sizes supported, from 4.1 by 5.8 inches to 8.5 by 14 inches, you'll have the flexibility to print whatever you need. So there you have it, the Canon ImageCLASS MF465dw wireless monochrome printer. With its blazing fast print speeds, seamless wireless connectivity, and intuitive design, it's the perfect choice for home offices and small businesses alike. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews and tech tips. Until next time, happy printing!